In 2025, everyone will be talking about cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin has broken records, Ethereum continues to grow, and now you can even buy them on the stock exchange like stocks thanks to new ETFs. But the big question is it worth investing in cryptocurrencies today, especially if you're a beginner and don't understand the subject at all? Stay tuned because in this video I'll explain it to you in simple terms, with clear examples and a step-by-step plan that anyone can follow. What are cryptocurrencies? Imagine there's a giant ledger that records who has how much money. That ledger isn't in a bank or a government. It's distributed around the world on thousands of computers. That's blockchain. Bitcoin was the first cryptocurrency. It's like digital gold, limited, unmanageable, and increasingly viewed as a store of value. Ethereum is like a giant computer on the internet where you can create applications, contracts, and other digital projects. And then there are stablecoins, which are digital currencies pegged to the dollar. They're like tokens that always try to be worth the same amount. $1. What is the market like in 2025? Today, in 2025, the crypto world is stronger than ever. The value of all cryptocurrencies combined is at an all-time high, and Bitcoin has reached over $120,000. What does this mean? We're not talking about a hobby for a few internet geeks, but a huge industry that's already attracting interest from banks, investment funds, and even governments. Additionally, there are now ETFs, which are packages that allow you to buy Bitcoin or Ethereum on the stock market, just like buying Amazon stock. This allows many more people to invest without the hassle of digital wallets. Regulation is also advancing. In Europe, there are already laws that control how cryptocurrency companies should operate. And in the United States, stablecoins must be backed by real money in banks. For whom yes and for whom no. It may be worth it if you think long term, at least 3 to 5 years. You don't mind watching your investment go up and down a lot. You've already got your financial life in order. Bills paid, a small emergency savings. It's not for you yet. If you need the money soon, you get stressed easily when you see losses. Or if you don't have stable savings habits yet, because be careful, the crypto market can rise a lot, but it can also fall 50% in a matter of weeks. How to invest step by step. Start small. You don't need thousands of euros. With 20, 50 or 100 euros, you can try. Decide your route. If you want something easy and regulated, buy a Bitcoin or Ethereum ETF from your broker. If you want to learn, open an account on a trusted exchange and try buying directly, buy little by little. Don't put all your money in at once. It's best to buy a small amount each month. This is called the DCA strategy. Learn about security. If you buy directly, it's best to use your own wallet and activate all possible protection measures, strong passwords, double verification, and never share your passwords. Don't get caught up in fads. Start with Bitcoin and Ethereum only. Other cryptocurrencies can be riskier, and many disappear. Be patient. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. If you're getting in, you're looking at several years ahead. Frequently asked questions: how much can I earn? Nobody knows. You can double your money or lose half. That's why it's key to only invest what you're willing to lose. And taxes. It depends on your country. But almost always, if you sell at a profit, you have to declare it. Is an ETF safe? It's safer and easier because it's regulated and you don't have to learn about wallets, but you do pay a small fee. Are stablecoins like money in the bank? No, although they're now better regulated, they don't have the same security as your bank account. So, is it worth investing in cryptocurrencies in 2025? The answer is yes, it can be worth it, but not for everyone. If you do it, start small, slowly, and think long term. Remember, the key is not to get rich quick, but to build little by little.